All right, cooking with the Kowalskis. We are making fajitas on the flat top and with a microgreen salad on the side. So I'll get you started here. Just chopped up some chicken and steak in one bowl and just some onions, peppers, and veggies in the other. And then we're just gonna season those up and get started here. And we're just gonna season them with some garlic salt, some chili lime, and a little cumin. And I'm just going to season both the steaks and chicken and the veggies all the same, and then we'll take it out to the flat top. All right, we're out here on the flat top. As you can see, it's nice and heated up, warmed up here. I'm going to be using avocado oil. This is good oil to use if you are cooking on a really hot surface because it has a higher burning point. So if you're using like olive oil or something like that, it kind of burns faster. Same thing with butter. That might be a little better, but yeah, avocado oil is probably the best thing to cook for if you're using really high heat. So we're gonna put the oil down, add the veggies and the meat, and fry it up here. So this is the second time I've been using the flat top here. Wife got me the grill for an early Christmas present here. Has the kind of the wood fire on one and then just a skillet, or you can turn it into a regular propane grill on this side. But cooked some burgers on it the other night, turned out good, and I like it so far using it for fajitas because it's cooking it really quick and all is just in one spot and easy cleanup. So this has probably been cooking maybe like 5 minutes and it's almost done already here. So we'll finish up here and show you the end products and then we're done. Alright, made sure all the meat was done cooking and then just mixed all the veggies and meat together. And should be done here. We'll just get her plated and call her good. Alright, I'm going to make my microgreen salad. I just cut all this last night, so we grow these microgreens down in our basement just with some grow lights, and works out really good, especially through the winter time when you don't have a garden going. So this first one is just some broccoli. This next one is a spicy salad mix, has just a whole bunch of different micros kind of all mixed in there together. This last one is some kale, or this one next one is kale there. And then we got some Rambo radish. It's kind of nice purple color right here. And then some amaranth, which is kind of this nice bright red color there. So just kind of a nice healthy colorful salad. And with microgreens, they're like 40 times more nutrient dense than just regular salad. So you're getting just a lot of good healthy nutrients and vitamins, and it's just almost more fun to eat than a regular salad. So just kind of mix that all together. Nice color there. And that's kind of what it looks like. And then you can just kind of try to add a healthy salad dressing. My wife buys this ranch, and that's what I like to use. So just I'm going to throw a little of that on and call it good for the microgreen salad. I'll probably add maybe a little tomato and some cucumber as well. But there's the microgreen salad. All right, here's the end product. Healthy-ish cooking. I mean, if you want to get real healthy, you'd probably get rid of the tortilla and the cheese and just stick with the fajita themselves. But just threw a little cheese and salsa with the fajitas right there, and then the micro salad with a little ranch. And I'm gonna call that good for tonight's dinner.